So this is an unboxing video for my Nitron shock. I bought this for my Yamaha MT10. Once again, I'm here with my faithful camera woman. Say hello.
Hello.
Perfect. The problem I was having with the Yamaha MT10 is the rear suspension feels very harsh, very choppy, very little damping really. I've messed around with the what's it called?
The shock absorber.
Yeah, but which bit? No,
The springy.
No, the other bit, the rebound and the compression damping, really didn't seem to have any effect on it at all. I've messed around with the preload, didn't really do very much. So eventually, given how fantastic the rest of the bike is, I thought I would invest in a decent rear shock to see if I could then utilise a bit more of the bike's performance, because it does tend to get a little bit out of shape when you're pushing it on bumpy roads. And when I say investment, I do use that term advisedly, because this cost an eye-watering £581.40, which I can tell you I think is a lot of money.
Yes. Yes.
That is a lot of money, isn't it?
Too much.
Yeah, probably. But, you know, when you look at the other brands which offer replacement shocks, like K-Tech, they are actually in a different price bracket, so this seemed like the most economical way forward. And actually the MT10 is renowned for having a pretty poor rear shock. So let's have a look. So I ordered this from a company called HPS, Harwood Performance in the UK, and in November every year they usually have a deal on where you can get a remote preload adjuster for about half price. So that makes the remote preload adjuster about £100, because that's also quite expensive normally at £200. So I took advantage of that. I put the order in over the internet. You get to specify the type of riding you do, road or track. The MT10, I don't take that on track. And your weight in gear, and also whether you take a pillion. And when you order it through HPS, they also ask you if you take luggage, which I do, because I sometimes go touring on the bike.
What's a pillion?
Pillion is when somebody sits on the back of the bike.
At least this is going to be something interesting for somebody who doesn't know any much about motorbikes.
Absolutely. So do you remember when you sat on the back of the bike outside in the driveway?
Yep.
So you were riding pillion. So I ordered this online through HPS. It arrived within 2 weeks. Comms were very good, so big thumbs up for HPS Engineering, HPS Harwood Performance, because they did a good job with that. Let's see then what we've got in the box. You see okay?
Yep, we can still see it all.
Okay, so we've got some stuff. I'll look at that in a minute.
Probably instructions.
Some stickers.
Yay!
Where are they going to go?
On my door, obviously.
Yeah, so there we go. That's where we got it from. HPS. That's the suppliers. I'll put a link in the description.
What are those little thingies? Two things. I guess I'm getting lots of stickers.
They're stickers. You're getting stickers. Look, and you also get some Nitron stickers, so you can have those as well.
Yeah, I get loads of stickers every day. Everyone knows
Christmas
that.
comes early.
Yes, it
And
does.
here we go. Here is the business end of the shop.
Bit lower than it was, nobody can see. Oh, that was better.
Oh, it's quite heavy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Of course it is. It's heavy metal.
Let's have a little look, see what we got. So
Oh.
I'm guessing this is a mounting bracket.
Or just a little bit of bubble wrap. Yeah, it's a little bit of bubble wrap.
No, it's only in the bubble wrap. Oh,
But this stuff might be more stickers.
not more stickers, no.
Lower, Daddy.
Oh,
You're
sorry.
absolutely useless. He doesn't even know how to post things onto YouTube.
Quite, yeah.
No, you don't. Never have.
So there we go. That appears to be a mounting bracket, I presume, for the remote adjuster. You see that okay?
Yeah, it's better.
Is that better?
Yep.
There you go, mounting bracket. We've got some little bolts there. I won't bother to unbox those right now. So there we go, that's the mounting bolt. Let's have a little look.
Otherwise, they'll not just scatter everywhere all over your nice floor.
There we go. There is the shock. Can you see that okay?
Yep.
Is that in shock, yeah? In shock, in shock. I'll have a look at the remote preload adjuster.
From I thought that was like a fire hose is opening.
There we go. Can we see that okay?
Yep.
So there we go. So first impressions are that it's quite nicely manufactured.
Or did it look like a giant pump?
It's quality actually, very nice. So as you might have guessed, I'm far from an expert in these matters, but down there I think we have the damping adjustment, which is combined for rebound and compression. So it's just one circuit. And here we've got the remote preload adjuster. So you just turn the little
To open the hose.
no, what it does is it pushes the spring down, so it increases the preload before you fit it. So there we go.
Fed it? It's not making me hungry.
Fit it, not feed it.
I thought you said feed it.
See that okay?
Yep.
So there we go. Just a little bit down.
Yep, that's better.
Is that better?
Yep, that's a lot better.
Okay. Good. Down. There.
Yeah.
Is that it? Thank you. So there you go. That's what you get for your quite substantial chunk of cash. And here we are. It is the beginning of December. It's about 1 degree outside. And I can tell you that I will not be fitting this today. And in all likelihood I will not be fitting it until spring comes because it's winter, there's salt on the road.
Oh, and Daddy, by the way,
what?
it's not even December yet, it's November the 30th.
Is it? Okay. And the bike is pretty much winterised and stuck in the garage for the winter. So there will be a brief delay of several months before I make another video showing you what it looks like on the bike. That's it. Cheerio for now.
Bye! Bye.